Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this romantic Valentine's Day makeup. This is perfect for a date night. It's so pretty. I really hope you guys love this look, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm actually going to start this video a little different. I usually do my eyeshadow first, but today I'm going to start with priming my face. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics hydrating primer, and I'm also going to be using this foundation stick by Benefit Cosmetics. And for concealer, I'm also going to be using the Cakeless concealer by Benefit. So I really like this foundation stick, but every time I use the primer and the foundation stick together, I notice that my foundation starts to flake and it doesn't look good. So I don't know if it's the foundation stick that's making, my foundation flake, or if it's the primer, because I've noticed that when I apply this primer and I apply the foundation after, it just starts flaking, and I'm still wondering if it's the primer or the foundation that's causing this, but I don't know. But I made it work in this video, so hopefully you guys can see how it looks. But I'm going to be applying concealer. I really like this concealer. This is probably one of my favorite concealers. It's full coverage and it's so creamy, and I highly recommend it. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to be using these two by Rimmel London. I don't know the exact name of them, but I have them listed down below like always. So I'm just going to be applying blush right now, and then I'm going to move on to highlight. So I'm picking up my Dragun Beauty Face Transformation Powder, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes, and this is going to really brighten up my eye area, my under eye, and I also use this to clean up my contour. I love this powder, and I actually need to pick up a new one because this one is so used already, and I really need another one. But I really recommend this face powder by Dragun Beauty. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it because it's really good. So now I'm going to be moving on to the eyeshadow. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. In my last look, I did use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, but today I'm going to be using the first ever Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna start with applying this deep red burgundy eyeshadow on my crease, and today I decided to do like a deep red burgundy look because Valentine's Day is all about red and dark reds, and I thought this would be perfect because of course a lot of you guys don't like the pinks and like the colorful eye looks, so I decided to do something more like sexy and glammed. So I recently started cutting my crease with a brush. I would never cut it with a brush. I would always use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I ran out of it, so I started using a brush with my concealer, and I feel like I gotten better. I wouldn't be able to do it with a brush back then, and now I feel like I got really good at it. So I'm happy I could finally do it with a brush because I would struggle so much back then. But anyways, I'm going to be applying the same deep burgundy eyeshadow on the outer V of my eye, and I'm also going to be applying a little bit of this black eyeshadow on the corner, just a little bit because I don't want it too dark. So I just applied a tiny bit of black on the outer V of my eye. And for the liquid eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying this one by Stila. I haven't used the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadows in such a long time, so I thought it was about time I come back and use them. So I am using this one in the shade Rose Gold Retro. eyeshadow is all completed. Let me know what you think down below. I think it's so pretty, and if you recreate this look, make sure to let me know and tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see and I would love to repost you on my story, so make sure you tag me. But for lipstick today, I decided to go with a deep red lipstick, so I'm going to be using this lip kit by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is in the shade You Better Not Pout, something like that. I think it's Better Not Pout. But I'm just going to be applying this, and then after that, this look is all completed. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up before you leave, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.